What'd you do?
Kind of like what you did the first time. Try to pull it out. It broke up there, now it's stuck.
Oh, God.
It was almost out, too. Then I heard it pop. I'm like, son of a... So, you might have to try out your trusty...
Cut that off and get the zip ties, dude. We got this. So we got these machine grease to whatever, I don't know, to service wheel bearings, and never used them, but they're like 27 bucks on eBay, you know, for this one. This one actually has like a, yeah, it's a 40 and like a 27 or something. No, I don't know. It's got a 40 on it, so I don't know, but so you just apparently you just stick it in and hook up your, okay. And you just pump it full of grease. Oh God. There's a, no dude, look. Oh hell. Ah! We got like water coming out.
Got water coming out.
Yeah, look down here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Huh. Look at this.
Ooh.
Yeah, I guess we'll call that good. I don't smell like cherry.
I did?
Yes, you did, Woody. So anyway, so Woody got a little excited, and you know, obviously we had to replace the axle because someone's a little rough. But anyways, he got a little excited about what's going on here. Okay. Oops. So yeah, we got the Highlifter lift kit. I don't know which one it is. You know, it's for the 570 SP. And so he's already started taking that apart. There's the brackets for the front. And we just greased the front bearings, as you saw. Oh my gosh. I've got to fix that because that is horrible. And what else we get for this thing? So here it is, the EPI clutch kit. I think excuse me. Yeah, just the, I don't remember which, this is not the mutter kit, it's the other one. The, what's it called, dude?
Sport utility?
Yeah, it's the sport utility.
Just kind of
for the 27 to 28 inch tires with, you know, engine braking system. And we got the Gates G-force belt for it. I don't know if this is the, I don't know. It's just the one that said for 570 SP, so I'm hoping it's the right one. I'm going to go ahead and double check the parts number just to make sure, so that way I don't screw something up. So that's what we got for it. We got the clutch kit, we got the belt, and we got lift kit, and my driveway kind of blew up. So Woody, why do you have me outside in the sun when we have all this space in the garage?
There ain't no space in the garage.
Dude!
Yeah.
Look at this!
Yeah, because I pushed everything out of the garage. It's a nice day. You didn't sit inside.
Man! I'm out there sweating. Yeah, and that stupid lawnmower there. I'm done with fixing lawnmowers. So, and we're probably going to have to run a wheel spacers. I don't know yet. We will see. So, go Woody. Alright, so once again I screwed up video and I didn't have my mic on, which this sucks so much. So anyways, so I lifted the bike without telling my wife, and she walks out just as we're putting the tires on. She's like, "What are you doing? What did you do to it? Why is it so tall?" And I'm like, I made it better. but she says that I ruined it, and it's gonna ride rough as, and I'm gonna let you fill that in. But anyways, so yeah, she wasn't super excited about it, but I think she'll be all right. And so she's just kind of acting like, look at her, all acting all sly and stuff right now. Mm-hmm. I know you like it. You ain't gotta lie to me, girl. Yeah, but she absolutely refused to sit on it until I went in the house, and then Woody sent me a picture. So we're gonna have to talk about that later, Woody.
That farm loading dude, see if you made one for the Polaris 17 the Highlifter.
Yeah, I think they do.
Well, because I looked at them, but I couldn't ever find them.
So there we are on the bucket list. Polaris 570 SP with a Highlifter lift. That's regular. And one of the only issues is that the axle come apart, so I gotta get a new band, and we'll probably just order a new axle. There she is, though.
Which one do you got?
Huh?
I'm trying to find that axle.
What's up, Woody?
What's up?
What you doing?
I'm trying to find you a new axle.
Cause you broke it?
Because you broke it.
You broke it.
I wasn't on that side this go around.
Dude, I blame you, though. You're my axle man. The axle destroyer.
So why is all the litter boxes in the bathroom?
Dude, I am recording right now, okay?
Because your bathroom smelled like...
It's the cat bathroom, dude.
It was because of the puppies.
Oh.
They were getting in that little closet.
Hey, I got the mic on. Shush. So, just sitting here enjoying this view. I mean, we ain't got... God, look at them legs. We ain't got a lot of room above that bucket, but she will fit. What are you doing? Hey, dude. Whose jack is that? He's stealing my jack, babe. Because he's working on his four-wheeler, and he don't have a jack. What? You said I don't have a jack? Yeah. I don't have a jack that's jacked up mine, though. Oh, yeah, his is... He's got performance issues.
Hey, no. Douglas. You want to see some pictures?
What kind of pictures?
Hi, Dougie.
Of Dougie?
He's not having the puppies. He's supposed to go back inside.